In this very simple experiment, we will see how air behaves when its temperature increases. For this experiment we need a bottle, a coin wider than the mouth of the bottle, and some room temperature water. Rinse the bottle with the water and empty it. Now wet the coin with the water and place it on the mouth of the glass bottle. Make sure the coin is big enough to cover the entire mouth of the bottle. Now rub your palms and wrap your hands around the bottle. Do you see? After a few seconds, the coin rises momentarily and falls again. Now, let's take a closer look at this. When you rub your palms, the friction between them causes the temperature of your palms to increase. When you wrap your hands around the bottle tightly, the heat from your palms increases the temperature of the air inside the bottle. As the temperature rises and the kinetic energy of the air molecules increases, they start moving faster and away from each other, thus expanding and occupying more space. The wet coin covering the mouth of the bottle acts as a seal and does not allow air to come in or go out of the bottle. As the air inside the bottle expands, it now needs more space. The pressure inside the bottle causes the expanding air to push the coin up slightly so that it can escape outside the bottle.